Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm teaching you guys how to make some vegan matzo ball soup. So I want to start off about 5 or 6 potatoes. Just go ahead and roughly chop them into bite-sized pieces. Next you want to cut up 2 carrots and 2 stalks of celery. And then 2 small onions. Then you put them into a pan. I'm actually using a slow cooker for this recipe. So anyway, you want to put about half a container of vegetable broth, some salt to taste, and then some pepper to taste. And also some thyme to taste. And some garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so I tend to put in more garlic than normal. But yeah, probably about a teaspoon of garlic. You would set the slow cooker under 4 hours. So next you got the matzo ball meal mixed up. All you do is add water. This is a half a tablespoon. And you just want to roll ahead and make like balls out of the matzo meal. Just follow the directions on the matzo meal container. And then if you are using a slow pressure cooker, just go ahead and release the steam like I'm doing here. And then once the soup is nice and bubbly and ready to be done, just go ahead and add the matzo balls. First off, don't cook them too long, or they'll basically dissolve for about 10 minutes or so. And then just give it a stir. And there you go, guys. There's the recipe for some vegan matzo ball soup.